get ready for some calendar time. Go grab something to write with, and we're gonna have calendar time together. Get something to write with, like I said, so we can work through some problems. And let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with our months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Bum, bum. So if we look at our calendar, we have our month at the top. The month is May. Very good. And today's date is May 22nd. And the year 2020. So let's say that all together, guys. Today is May 22nd, 2020. So I'm going to go ahead and write that at the top. You go ahead and write it wherever you're working. Remember, May has an uppercase M, like all the months of the year. It begins with an uppercase letter. May 22nd, comma, 2020. Very good. All right, days of the week. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good. All right, so if we look at today, we go up, up, up. Today is Friday. Friday before a long weekend. What a great day. All right, so today is Friday. If we go backwards one day to yesterday, and then up, 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 the. Yesterday was Thursday. Good. Thursday comes before Friday. And then we need to find out what comes after Friday for tomorrow. So here's today. Hop forward one day for tomorrow. Up, up, up. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Good. All right, let's read all three and our season. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. The season is spring. I mentioned that we have a long weekend this weekend. So Monday is Memorial Day. And Memorial Day is a day when we remember people who have fought for our country, served in the military for our country, and who have died while doing that. So it's an important day. It's a special day to remember people who have made a sacrifice so that we can all have our freedom. And today we have a class meeting that we're going to listen to somebody tell us a little bit more about Memorial Day and do a picture for Memorial Day. So hopefully you can all make it to that. But Monday is Memorial Day, so that means we have a 3-day weekend. Lots of people get to stay home from work on Memorial Day. We don't have school on Memorial Day, so it's a special day coming. All right, let's shift over and let's look at our problem of the day. So if you're solving with me after I read our word problem, solve it where you're working and then check with me, make sure you got the right answer. Okay, so let's read it together. It says, Sloan has 10 flags. She gave Jackson 5. How many does she have left? All right, let's read that one more time. Sloan has 10 flags. She gave Jackson 5. How many does she have left? So let's circle our important information. We have 2 numbers today. We have 10 and we have 5. So we know those are the 2 numbers we're going to be working with. We need to figure out if we're adding more or taking some away. And if our clue is she gave some to Jackson, and we want to know how many does she have left, those are clue words that we're going to be taking away. So she started with 10 flags, so the first number we write is 10. She's taking away, so minus. She gave Jackson 5, so 10 minus 5 equals, that's our number sentence. So now our job is to solve. So there's a couple ways you can solve. You could solve in your head, right? You have 10 fingers. You can put up 10 fingers. You can take away 5 and get how many you have left. You can put 10 in your head and count back. So you would say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 until all 5 have been given away. 5 flags she gave away. So you have 5 left. Or or you can draw a picture, right? So we have 10. She took away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any way we solve it, we got 5 left over. She has 5 flags left. All right, if you're solving with me, write down your pattern, put me on pause and solve it on your own and then come back and check. But let's look at our pattern. So we have 75, 80, 85, 90. Let's say that one more time. 75, 80, 85, 90. So first we need to decide if this is repeating or growing. We don't have the same thing over and over and over, right? Each time the number changes. So that tells me it's a growing pattern. But we need to figure out how it's growing and how it's changing. So I'm going to read these numbers one more time and think about if they sound familiar to you for a way that you know we've learned how to count. Okay? So 75, 80, 85, 90. What does that remind you of? Hopefully it reminds you of counting by 5s. So we're going to continue to count by 5s to fill in our missing blanks, okay? So let's do it one more time. Ready? 75, 80, 85, 90. Next would be 95. And then 100. Good. Counting by 5s. All right, let's do our time. Here is our time for today. Remember, we have our short hour hand and our long minute hand. We check our hour hand first. This time, the hour hand is between two numbers. It's between the 9 and the 10. So when your hour hand is between two numbers, we're going to bounce back, right? So we're bouncing back to the 9. So for hours, we have 9. And our minute hand is on the 6. When our minute hand is on the 6, that means 30. Very good. So we have 9:30 for our time. Good job. All right, the last thing we have today is money. If you look at our piggy bank, we have 2 different coins. I'll move you guys just a little bit closer so we can see those coins. There you are. Okay, it's a little easier to see. Okay, so we have 2 coins. We have, this coin is a what? Dime, good. And these are nickels, very good. So we're going to count our dimes by 10s and our nickels by 5. So we count dimes by 10s because how much are they worth? 10 cents. And we count nickels by 5 because they are worth 5 cents. Good. All right, so we'll count by 10s and then we have to kind of switch to counting by 5s. Okay, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Let's do that one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Good job. So today we have 50 cents. All right, guys, great job. Good job working along with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy Memorial Day. Hopefully you guys can, hopefully it's nice weather so we can all be outside and do something fun. But I hope you're doing well and have a great day. Bye, guys.